Malaysia, such as many other developing countries, faces conflict between economic growth and conservation of environment. However, it has recognized the concept of sustainable development and has embedded this concept in its policies, vision, mission and plans. Malaysia is also very very active in international sustainability activities, which have been reflected by its participation in the 30th session of the Commission on Sustainable Development in New York in year 2005. Malaysia has also incorporated in the principle of Agenda 21 as one of the important sustainable development documents in its planning process. There are several aims that Malaysia has done to achieve the sustainable development, such as neighborhood, sociological well-being, environment perception, healthy lifestyle, neighborhood collaboration, society safety, green building development and affordable living. There are three aspects that you need to consider in sustainable development, which are in environment, economic and sociology.
And cut.
The ecological sustainability of human settlement is part of the relationship between humans and the natural, social and built environment. Also, term human ecology, this broadens the focus of sustainable development to include the domain of health, fundamental human needs such as the availability and quality of air, water, food, shelter, and also the ecological foundation for sustainable development addressing public health through investment in ecosystem services can be powerful and transformative for sustainable development, which in turn extends to all species. Malaysia Department of Statistics has proposed Compendium for Environment Statistics Approach in 2001, aiming to prevent ongoing issues relevant to sustainable development to planet. This approach embeds four rubrics, namely A. Water, land, environment. This approach is very complicated and only focus on environmental issues.
Economic development has traditionally required a growth in the gross domestic product. This model of unlimited personal and GDP growth may be over. Sustainable development may involve improvement in the quality of life, but may decrease the resource consumption. The economist Edward Barber published the study of the concept of sustainable economic development, where he recognized that the goal of sustainable economic development are not conflicting and can be reinforcing each other. It has been suggested that equity can be incorporated into sustainable development and decision making as it become common in economic valuation of climate economy. They enable the effective practice of personal responsibility and the development of mechanisms to protect the environment. The state can be in this content create conditions which encourage the people to save the environment. Malaysia has aware of sustainable development, which is they announced in the budget 2010. In budget 2010, our Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak has announced the development of green building, efficiency of the resource use, energy, water and material, while reducing public impact on human health and the environment during the building life cycle through better sitting, design, construction, operation, maintenance and removal. Secondly, the greening of Putrajaya and Cyberjaya to give the priority to goods and service are environmentally developed Putrajaya and Cyberjaya as friendly and comply with the standard product green technology in government procurement. The key goal for 2010 is Green Township Guideline, Green Rating System, saving 10% of energy and water usage in government building in Putrajaya, carbon footprint baseline for Putrajaya and Cyberjaya.
Hi. Mainly there are two main domains in society, which are politics and culture. What is politics? Politics is defined by the domain of politics associated with basic issues of social as they pertain to the organization, authorization, legitimation, regulation, social of life of human and society. This is important in order for the growth of economic, ecological and clinical challenge. There are listed 7 subdomains of the politics, which are organization and governments, second, law and justice, third, communication and critique, fourth, representation and negotiation, fifth, security and accord, sixth, dialogue and reconciliation, seven, ethics and accountability. The second domain is cultural. What is culture? Culture is the art of human intellectual and achievement. This agreement is focusing on new perspective and the relation between the culture and sustainable development. It focuses on the dual approach, which are developing a social culture policy and advocating a cultural dimension in all public policies. In example, for Malaysia, Malaysians have developed a Malaysian Urban Reality Quality of Life, MUQL. This is an assessment that made up by our Prime Minister, Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak. They focus on our income, working life, transportation, health, education, and housing. Thank you.
Yes. Campus Campus.
Kempro.
Yeah. No, for the conclusion, it is observed that Malaysia has already developed comprehensive assessment approach and indicators for national level, state level, and building level. However, there is a gap between this mega scope level and micro level. Therefore, Malaysia needs to work on developing a tool for assessing sustainability in campus, which are considered a local level. Thank you.